Introducing the MAKITA 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Impact Driver. Equipped with an innovative 4-pole, 4-brush motor that delivers 26% more speed than the previous model and a full 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque. At only 5 3/8 inches long, it has a compact and ergonomic design with less weight for reduced operator fatigue. It also has a new fan design and ventilating window for improved cooling performance under load. The all-metal gear housing provides increased durability. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. MAKITA 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.